So 2017 is over, and it's time for me to put away my annual stack of artwork. Here it is, my annual stack of artwork. This one's for the year 2017. What I'll do is I'll usually put the artwork I have that I'm working on here onto a shelf. And at the end of the year, I'll take that stack of artwork and I'll put it away and I'll store it away. So here's just some of the artwork that I've done in 2000. This one's a stack page. Originally, this one's for a Black Panther piece where we did this splash page, and then an editorial from the writer wanted to change the faces where the mask was open, so we did a stack piece where the mask is open. So I just inked this separately and I put that on top. Some of the original art I worked on, like for example, this one, Marvel 2-in-1, Jimmy Chung pencils on the back of the artwork, and then you can kind of see through the stuff in the back. I don't know if you can see it here, but you can kind of see it. And then here's more. Let's do a quick overview of what kind of art I've done. Some Black Panther pieces. Here's Spider-Man. Just flip through this quickly because who really wants to see Spider-Man pieces here. Over on them. More Spider-Man pieces. This one's a special New York Comic Con edition over Sean Chin's. This project was called Engine. Let's see what else. We'll flip through. This one's for Strike for IDW Publishing. Here's Venom. More of Venom right here. Okay, there's more Venom. We'll flip through this quickly. Bigger stack. Here's Harbinger for Valiant Comics. Over my friend Derek Robertson. This was fun to work on. More of this Harbinger. This one's for America, for Marvel. Here we go. More for Strike. X-Men Blue, right here. Let's flip through some of this quickly. For Strike again. Insurgency. Black Panther. This one's called Destiny Official Coloring Book for Inside Editions. So what they did was have me ink over some digital pencils to give it some traditional look. And then here's some Avengers. Oh, flip this quicker. Some more original artwork. We'll flip bigger stacks. This one's for Kingpin. This one's for Spider-Man, Deadpool over Ed McGuinness. Star-Lord. What else did I work on? Avengers Assemble. Marvel's Zoom Zoom. The little toy dolls. Let's see what else is here. Zoom Zoom. Avengers Assemble. This Avengers Assemble was for, I think it was a French edition Panini comic. So it's going to be published in a foreign country. So this is a stack page. So let me see if I can find the original page 10. Page 10. Here's page 10. So what happened here was we had this. Actually, I inked page 10. I don't know why I did that. Well, there's a reason why I inked this little stack page. So there's that. More Black Panther over Chris Sprouse. All new X-Men. This one here is a double page spread. Let's see what else is there. All new X-Men over my good friend Carlo Barberi. Some stack pages where I didn't ink everything. It's just stacks of some pieces. All new X-Men. Let's see, and here's more on X-Men. Let me flip this quicker. Avengers Assemble, all new X-Men, all new Wolverine. This one is the female Wolverine, and some other pieces here. So that's my stack of original artwork, and then let me show you now how I store them. So this is how I store my original artwork. I store them in these tubs, and right now underneath my table I have like five tubs full of original comic book artwork. So I'll put them in these 15-gallon totes, and I just open them up, and I'll just start putting the artwork all in here, just like this. This is how I store all the original comic book artwork that I've done. Once a year, I'll pull out the stack of artwork that I have, and I'll just start storing them. So there you have it. So usually when I have a stack of artwork, I'll somewhat stack it neatly in order. So like this, just to keep everything nice and tidy. Somewhat clean like this, and then I'll still pretty heavy. So if you can imagine holding, I would say this is about maybe a good 10 pounds, 20 pounds. It is pretty heavy when you're holding this much artwork. And then I'll take the big tub that I have. So I'll take this and I'll start stacking them in the order that I've placed them in. Just like this. And I have this cardboard here that it just helps me shift things nice and neat. That's what I use it for. And if you have these things when you buy a new pair of shoes or clothing, sometimes they'll include these little packets of desiccates. I'll save them, and then I'll just put them right above here. Put this here. This will help absorb moisture. So that way your artwork won't turn yellow or starts getting moldy. So I would keep these desiccates from shoe packets. When you buy clothes, sometimes it's in pockets, just put them in these little packs, and then I'll just store them away. And then after this, I'll put them underneath a table where there's no light, like a dark place. So that way it'll keep your artwork nice and sun-free. And there you have it. That's how I store original comic book artwork. Now, I have 5 tubs. I gotta get another tub because I have these ones that I need to find a new tote for. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, hit thumbs up, and until next time, be good.